Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and we're starting a new month, of course, with new apps. So I have some really amazing apps to share with you guys. Most of them are actually very useful, and what's really cool is that as of now, all of these apps can actually be downloaded for free from the App Store. So of course that makes them even better. Now we're starting this video with Cable Jungle. Now all of us have all kinds of different cables, different chargers around the house, of course, for different devices. And what this does is that it allows you to easily organize your cables and every time know where you have each cable or each charger that you actually own. So this is the home screen of the app. This is what you will see right here. So this basically shows you a summary of all of your cables, whether they're active, whether they're sorted, or they are missing. If you have any missing ones, you can also add them right here. So then you will have different categories where you can go ahead and of course just explore your cables and chargers that you have. Now when you want to add one, you tap the plus button right there. You can add a photo of it if you want to. You can take a picture right there. Then you can select the type of the cable. You can see we have here different like sections for charging, audio, data transfer, and all that. Once you have selected the type of charger or cable you want to add, you can set the status right here, whether it's active, it's broken, unknown, or sorted. And then you can go ahead and add all kinds of different details here, the device's name for which device you use it, the location, the length, the color, and all that stuff. And then you will find them right here. So when you go, in this case, I go to charging, I can go ahead and see where this cable is. So it's for the iPhone 14, it's in a drawer, it's sorted, and it's working. So that's really awesome. Now right here, we'll have the library with all of your different cables. And then right here, we'll have a really cool section called Museum, where you will have all the different like cables and chargers that you have added but you're not using any longer. You can basically have here like a museum of all the previous cables and chargers. Next up is Live Lyrics. Now this is a really awesome app. It will show you the live lyrics from Apple Music, Spotify, and Shazam directly to your home screen or even the lock screen. So then we have the widget, how it looks. This is how it looks when you add it to your home screen. It should be updated here in a second. So there it is. As you can see, it's now playing, and we also have the lyrics here, which will also move as the song moves, which is really awesome. Now if we go into the app, we have a few different things right here. So first of all, you will have the display background style right here. You can choose the system or dark or light mode. Then you will have the colors here. You can customize them. You can choose the album art right here, which is really awesome. You can show the date or not and show the playback controls as well. Now what you can do is also use it as a live activity. So you see the lyrics on your lock screen, and then also you can use as floating lyrics, which will basically add them on the picture-in-picture mode, which is really awesome. Next up is Phone Checkup. Now this app will allow you to check all the details and everything you need about a phone. Even test the phone, which is really useful, especially if you're trying to buy maybe a used phone. You will need this app, which is totally free to download and use. Now right here it shows the status, basically shows all the details regarding the device, and then right here you can tap to get the device details, so everything you need to know, like the battery, and of course you will have the screen resolution, the performance right there, the storage, and all that stuff. Everything will be there. And then you go to start test, and right here you can test the screen, the speakers, the receiver, the microphone, the cameras, basically the face detection, the volume, everything that the iPhone has, all the buttons, all the different components can actually be tested right here, which is really awesome. And then when you go to the list, then you will see right here a detailed list of everything that you need to know regarding your device. So from the display to the just like the simple device information, everything will be right here. The next app for the video is No Chat, and this one is a very simple app, yet it's actually very cool. It allows us to take notes, but in a different style. It has like a chat style, just like you would be like typing to yourself. So have you seen yourself sometime when you actually want to take a note of something, you might message yourself or email yourself? Well, with this app, you can just type anything you want here and just take it as a note. And as you can see, it sends right there and it shows you the date where you have created. You can, of course, go ahead and view all of your notes right here. And then you can also search your notes right there. Going to the settings, you can choose the dark mode. From here, you can also export your notes or delete all of your notes, which is really awesome. You tap right there on the download, and you will have a few different formats which you can actually use to extract everything that you have noted there, like plain text or maybe markdown. Anything you want can be exported from here. File Doctor is up next, and this is a free file managing app that allows you to do a lot with your files. So from searching your files right there to compressing your PDF files or unlocking your PDFs, merging PDFs, and all kinds of different things. Like you will have document scanner right there, the phone storage cleanup right there, and then you will have the popular tools basically allowing you to do a lot, like edit your PDFs. You will have the image tools. You can just like e-sign your PDFs or convert images to PDFs or Word to PDF, all that kind of stuff. You will have your files there. You can go ahead and scan your files right here if you want to, and then you will have also a clean section where you can actually clean the storage of your iPhone, which is really awesome. And then going to the tools, you will have here a bunch of tools that are included within the app that you can actually use. Like you can convert all kinds of different things right there, different files you can edit and create. You will have the security where you can lock and unlock PDF files. You will have here the ability to summarize using AI, and then you will have here like the media, the utilities, like you can create zip files and all that stuff. All this for free within just one app. Countdown events is up next, and this is a countdown widget which I really like. It is very simple to use, very simple to create your countdowns, and it shows a lot of information. So right here we have like the middle size widget, and it shows you right here the title, of course, the remaining days, the completion right there in percentage, and then it shows you where it ends. So it's really awesome. You go into the app, all you have here is the home screen, a plus button from where you can go ahead and add your events. You add the title right there, you can customize the colors right here and add all the details, and then of course you can choose it to be displayed on the home screen. Next up is Wikidex. Now this one is really cool. It is an app that you can learn a lot from. So it basically turns Wikipedia into like a TikTok style app where you can just swipe to learn different things. So you will see all kinds of like different things that can be learned right here. Just move through these and you will find all kinds of different information. Of course, you can tap on one of them to actually start like the AI chat where you can just ask the app any additional questions that you might have about that topic. You can save them or share them from here, or even view more details. You will see all your saved articles right here, and then you will have the AI chats right here where you can ask the app for like more detailed information regarding whatever you're looking at. And last but not least is PDF Convert and Compress. It allows you to turn images into PDF files. So you select the images right here, and you can go ahead and turn any image you want, one or even multiple of them, into a PDF file. Now you will also have here the compress section where you can make your PDF smaller, and then you will have PDF split, which is also really useful, which allows you to actually split the PDF file. So you select a file from here, and once you have selected the PDF file, you can just split like a single page, multiple pages, or then you can go to custom and choose a range of pages which you want to split from that existing PDF. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you want to download any of these apps, make sure you check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.